everybody, have you seen these in the market anywhere? This beautiful brand ajecobeauty. Well, there is a face behind it, and that face happens to be me. I'm Ann Okello, a chemical and process engineer. That's my profession, but I have also studied cosmetics formulation, and I'm here to talk about formulation, to teach you what I know, but also to learn from you. Cosmetics formulation is both an art and a science. There's an actual chemistry behind it. I'm here to help you simplify that and to make it fun, to help you go beyond just copy pasting recipes online to formulating your own. So being able to have a goal, what do I want to do? Do I want to make a product for dry skin, for aging skin, for a baby, and where do I start? So I'll take you through several products. Is it for your lips, for your baby, for your body, for your hair, and etc. What does your skin need? When we're talking about cosmetics ingredients, what exactly are we talking about? When you hear words like emulsifiers, moisturizers, thickeners, preservatives, additives, what are those? Where will you find these things? How do you pick your ingredients to create what you want as the end product? How do you put them together? What tools do you need? Can you just start from your kitchen, or do you need a factory to make cosmetics products? When people are talking about organic, natural, synthetic, what exactly are they talking about? When you hear things like pH, viscosity, stability, what is that? And what is cosmetics product safety? I don't want you making things that will go hurting you or hurting someone else. And then, what are the basic regulatory guidelines in Kenya? When we are talking about Kenya Bureau standards, when we are talking about the shelf life for a product, what are those? Here is the bottom line. How do you meticulously marry your ingredients to achieve a functional, safe, effective product while keeping it aesthetically pleasing? You know, a product you'll be proud to use, a product you will be confident to sell if you choose to sell. And if you're doing this for business, then I would want to help you go through the business conversation around it. Like, how do you cost and price your products? What are the insights? How is the market looking like? What is going to be selling in future? How do you pick your niche? How do you brand, market, or sell your products? So I'm inviting you, DIY lovers and formulators, come and walk this journey with me. Let me know where I can help. On the comment section, comment on what it is that you would want to see me formulate next, and I'll be more than glad to help. Keep well, guys. Stay wise and profitable, and love one another. See you next time.